Gaelic sentence. A Gaelic sentence is a grammatical structure used in the Gaelic languages, which include Irish, Scottish Gaelic, and Manx. These sentences typically follow a verb-subject-object (VSO) word order, which is different from the more common subject-verb-object (SVO) order in English. Gaelic languages are part of the Indo-European family, with roots in the early Celtic languages brought to the British Isles around 500 BCE. The Goidelic languages, Irish, Scottish Gaelic, Manx, evolved from a branch of Celtic languages, differentiating themselves from other Celtic languages like Welsh and Breton. The earliest form of Gaelic, establishing the basic grammar and VSO sentence structure, and then became more standardized, refining its sentence structure and syntax. The types of Gaelic sentences are as follows. Declarative sentences used for making statements. Example, Ta an fear ag reith means the man is running in Irish. Interrogative sentences used to ask questions, often involving the inversion of the subject and verb. Example, a bhail to skith means are you tired in Scottish Gaelic. Imperative sentences used for giving commands or making requests. Example, Jean A means do it in Manx. Conditional sentences used to express conditions or hypothetical scenarios. Example, Dam beat se ansio, bhayat se sasta means if he were here, he would be happy in Irish. Gaelic languages are still spoken in parts of Ireland, Scotland, and the Isle of Man, especially in rural areas. Gaelic sentence structures are preserved in traditional literature, songs, and are also used in modern media such as radio and television. Gaelic is often used during cultural events, religious ceremonies, and national celebrations, maintaining its presence in these formal settings. The influence of Gaelic can be seen in some English dialects, particularly in Ireland. English has borrowed several words from Gaelic, like clan, from Scottish Gaelic clan, glain, from glean, and whiskey, from Irish US beatha. Certain expressions in English, especially in Ireland, directly translate Gaelic idioms, like I'm after doing something, meaning I've just done something. Gaelic has left a notable mark on English, especially in the syntax, vocabulary, and pronunciation of dialects in Ireland and Scotland. Gaelic sentences reflects a rich linguistic heritage that continues to influence modern languages. For more videos, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.